Hi, wanna know how to maximize battery life on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then find a tab which is named battery. So here is it how it looks. And now we would need to open it, and here, as you can see, we got 15 hours and 47 minutes remaining time of usage because we have only 60% charge. But if here at the current mode from balanced we will switch to the battery saver, we can get extra 4 hours of usage. That's because the battery saver is disabling all of the non-necessary features and also high consuming settings. So now as a next step, at the same tab battery, we would need to open this tab which is named battery checkup. So let's open it, and here as you can see we are getting some suggestions which will also help to get us some more time of usage of our phone. For example, here we got turn on dark mode, which will give us 54 minutes of extra usage and then even more. So here, for example, let's choose don't wake screen for notifications and also lock device after 15 seconds of inactivity. And now by clicking on this button at 15 minutes, all of these will be done immediately. So let's move on to the next step. So now as a next step, let's disable location permissions to some applications that don't even use your location. So to do it, we would need to scroll to the end of the settings page and here go to this tab which is named location. Open it and here click on this button app location permissions. Here you would be able to find all list with all of the applications and also selected apps that are allowed all the time to the location, allowed only while in use, and also not allowed. As you can see, I don't have many apps here, but I'm sure if you're using your phone for some time, you'll have a lot of more than me. So here you can check all of the apps that are using your location and disable all of the apps that don't need the location. So for example, I'll leave it only on the Google Maps, Android Auto, and this is it. Now just let me show you how to disable location permission. For that, we would need to click on the selected application, and here instead of allow all the time, you can choose allow only while using app or even don't allow at all. So here we click don't allow anyway, and this is it. We have disabled the location permission. So now as a next step, we are going to decrease the intensity of vibrations so we can a little bit save our battery power. So to do it, we would need to find this tab which is named sound and vibration, open it, and here scroll down until you'll find vibrate on tab. And here you can choose light, medium, or strong, or if you don't mind, you can disable it at all by choosing off. And this is it. So now let's move on to the next step, which is display settings. So for that, we would need to go to this tab, which is named display and brightness. Click on it. Here you can enable this feature, which is named auto brightness. So this feature is working like that. Every time when you are changing your environment, your lighting in the environment also changes and your phone will adapt to the lighting in your environment. And this is kind of useful feature, so you don't need to do it manually. And then as a next step, we can enable the dark mode because this phone has AMOLED screen, which dark mode will help to save some power. Now as a next step, we have last step left, and this is decrease the hertz or a refresh rate on our phone. So this is in the same tab which is named display and brightness. Here we would need to scroll down and here you can see the refresh rate. So currently it's on 60 hertz, but as you can see here we can switch to 90 hertz, and most advanced users has the 90 hertz because this is making all of the animation and scrolling more smooth and just good to look at. But if you are here to optimize the battery life, we would need to switch to 60, and this is it. Now after all of these steps, your battery should feel much better than before, and this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.